Alright, so we got a radiator here. Got it out of a machine. I probably got the machine on one of the videos that I've been working with here in the last year or so. Anyway, big old heavy duty radiator. It's 24 by 22 and then 4-inch. It's a 4-core radiator. And you can see it's got some damage here and there. And it's also been redone here. I don't know if that's just somebody's half-hearted attempt to repair it or what that was, but when I got it, it was full of antifreeze. And I've gone through and I've cleaned. This was all full of sludge down in here, and these fins, and a lot of these fins on the inside you couldn't see sunlight through them, so I got pressure washer out and kind of cleaned that out. I still think it needs quite a bit more work, but we don't have a radiator shop here. And I've got two broken mounts, that one and that one there. Both those are. But here's another problem. Roll it up over on its top. Make sure that I'm not crushing that neck. Anyway, got a new deal there for it, a petcock, but it's got two of these bolts that must be welded into this. It's got 3/16 steel, and this one snapped on me the other day. So what I'm doing here, and I thought I'd show you, I've got a what's called a roto-broach. It's basically like a spot weld cutter, and they come in different sizes. I believe this was I think it was a snap-on, maybe, I don't know, but anyway, they're just like a plug cutter or spot weld cutter, and they have this pin you see right here. It goes through the middle of this piece here, and then it sticks out kind of like a centering die. But I couldn't use it on that, so I've got it sitting here. So what I'm trying to do is roto-broach around that bolt, see if I can get it out of there without cutting into the bottom of the tank, because I'm already through there pretty good. But I thought I'd set up a camera and show you kind of what I'm doing in case you run into the same thing. So let me set you up here on the tripod, and we'll see if we can't bust this all up or be successful. You want to be real careful. You don't want to go through it, because you can see where that's going to hit the radiator tank, and that thing's probably 24 gauge brass, so it's probably going to go right through it, especially as sharp as this thing is. So I've got the blowgun, trying to keep an eye out on how deep I'm going. It should break free and then just spin in the hole, and then I can get it. So and you can kind of see down inside there a little bit how I'm going deeper and deeper. I don't know if there's a relief in this tank here with a you know, where the bolt is spot welded onto this sheet of steel, I'm not sure. But I don't want to have to go through and desolder this whole thing and mess that up, because you're talking steel soldered on brass, which is definitely not my specialty. Yeah, I think it just went through, yep. There we go. Alright. Alright, so this is the size. Looks like it's the same thread as this thing over here, so 5/16. And it comes with, of course, a little rubber, which I might just replace those. I can probably make them. I've got an old mud flap. But this is not going to go in there, and that's the biggest size I could get this to. So the easy way to do this is this way. Alright, chuck it up in there. And we got a little high-speed doodad here. Maybe a little more. Good. Now we'll take out the old welder here. That tip should be cleaned, but I don't have time for that. Come on. Yeah, boogered the threads up with that drill, but that's okay. I've got a solution for that too. Yeah, it's not a big deal. Just a little bit, a couple of areas. Yeah, that's good. Yep. And your nut. Look at that. I think that's going to work. We'll give you a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.